Thank you so much for joining me in this video. I really appreciate your patience. I really appreciate your support in the previous videos, and today in this video what we are going to see is the importance of a concept called as idea mining. So get ready. I recently came across a statement in a book. That statement was a very powerful statement. Follow the follower. So many people are really following the follower. I want you to have a good look into your life. Are you really doing that? Following the follower. Somebody has got some ideas, somebody has got some goals, somebody has got some aspirations in their life, and we loop ourselves along with them and we follow the follower. That person is following something, that person is following somebody else, and we are following that person who is following somebody else. It's called as, that paradox is called as follow the follower. And this concept called as idea mining is definitely a solution for you to take yourself out of that. So it will definitely take you out of that particular track called as following the follower. Imagine in your chosen occupation, how would it be if you're really contributing a lots of ideas? How would it be if you're really putting your brain and getting your ideas, and without any hesitation, if you're putting forth that idea, irrespective of the response that idea elicits, if you're really putting forth that idea, you are one among the top successful people that are living in the industry. Goes without saying. Are you really doing that? That's what is my big question. Because when we have ideas, we become more valuable. As Jim Rohn in one of the famous videos says that if you would like to have more money, or if you'd like to become more popular, or if you'd like to be, in the supreme command of your industry, you got to become valuable. And how can you become valuable? You got to know a lot of things. And how you can know a lot of things? You have to read, you have to get in stock with what is really happening, you have to put a lot of time, and in the modern technological age, you have to watch several videos, unclassified videos. But becoming valuable is very easy, I would say. Profound timing, and you put some information together and you feed that into your brain, you become valuable. But to me, what's more valuable is giving your idea. Your idea has to be accepted by somebody. And for that, my dear friends, you need to have idea. So, I would like to give you a solution called as idea mining. Because when I'm speaking some dynamic information like this, I should be in a position of practicing what I preach and preaching what I practice. I really practice this. That's why I'm preaching here. I would like to introduce the concept called as personal idea mining. This is my idea journal. Every single day morning, I wake up, and during the workout or after the meditation or whatever, when I'm preparing for the upcoming sessions or something, I make a point to write at least 10 or 15 ideas in the morning, specifically in the morning, because that's the time when the brain starts cropping up endorphin secrete and it gives you a lot of ideas. I make sure that I write at least 10 or 15. And I want you to do this as well. And you might say, I have my iPad, I have my Android gadgets. No, I'm not speaking about all that. I am definitely not against the technology, but I am against the technology in this standpoint. I don't want you to cling on to the technology. Get back to classics. Or if you are having a forethought, what kind of technology that are going to come to us, nothing can beat classic. Nothing can beat the idea of taking a pen and writing in a piece of paper or writing in a journal. In the 1980s and 90s, journal writing was an integral part of mankind. Thanks to the current technology that has eradicated that. Because everything has been automated now. Even in the online, we have got lots of apps which are acting as simulated journal in the phone or in the iPad or in the laptop. Get a notebook like this. See, I'm not using any garnish word like journal also. I'm just using a word, outlandish word, notebook. Get a notebook and pen like this. Right? So every single day morning, I just want you to write some 10 or 15 ideas. And most of the ideas will be stupid, weird, dumb. But that's how you exercise your brain. Day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, and day 6, you will start having some substantial ideas related to your profession, related to your personal work, and related to everything else. Do you really think the idea that all of a sudden cropped up in your mind on day 2 of the month be prescribed and be kept and preserved in your mind till the 28th day of the month? I don't think so. It disappears. Earl Nightingale says, an idea is like a wet fish. You have to capture it before it slips back into the pond from your palm. So you have to capture the idea. The moment you get the idea, immediately put that into the notebook and don't have any sort of complete level of this pep up confidence that, yeah, I can remember that, I can remember that. Appreciate your memory, but you will not remember that. It slips off. Because your brain is the biggest database in the world, and it slips off very easily. And that's the most dumb machine as well. So, step number 1, write at least 10 or 15 ideas every single day. And that makes 70 ideas per week if you're writing 10 every single day. And it makes 210 ideas per month. And after a month, if you're rolling back to the pages of the journal, on the 29th day, the idea that you had written on day 2 of the month will come handy. How did I forget this? Yes. On 2nd of November, I thought. You'll think about that on 29th of November. So instantaneously, that one idea, if it is put into the profession, it is going to make you a productive person. Hope you get what I'm saying. It's a very serious issue I'm speaking. It's a very serious connotation I'm speaking on. So, start doing this. When you are doing this every single day, your mind gets more exercised and it starts giving real creative and productive ideas very soon. Sometimes my session examples, sometimes the video that I create, and sometimes even the anecdotes that I speak in a particular session, everything is contributed by this. Seriously. You've got to be really confident that it is your thought, it is your brainchild. That is what is called as idea mining. And this idea mining, my dear friends, is definitely going to make you very confident. It is going to make you as a productive person, which is very important. And by having a generator of idea mindset, by having the mindset of idea generation, you will not follow the follower. You will really have a substantial information, and you will be known for the information, you will be known for the knowledge, and you will be known for the know-how. And I want you to take that position in your profession. You can do that. So, try this tomorrow morning. Start writing your ideas. And at the end of the month, start reviewing your ideas and get some ideas. Put them into practice. See how productive you will be. Alright? So, hope that you will be really transforming with this idea. Don't follow the follower. Make people follow you. And become the game changer. And in order to stay in loop, subscribe to this channel if you are not subscribed. And thank you so much if you have already subscribed. See you in the next video. Live strong, live with passion.